Want to know what's new in Control Center on iOS 18? Stick around and find out. The first thing you'll notice on Control Center in iOS 18 is how different it looks. You have additional features to actually turn off your device from Control Center in the event that your power button does not work. You can also see on the right hand side there are 4 categories. You have the heart for all your favorites, you have the circle for any additional items in your Control Center, you have the music icon that represents both podcasts and music, so everything audio, and finally you have the home widget, which houses all of your home items. With Control Center, you also have the ability to resize practically all of these items, and you can do that by tapping on the plus button here, and then you'll get this view. All of the resizable items will have this little curve on the bottom right hand corner, and if you want to resize it, all you need to do is drag it to however you want, and you can see how it resizes this widget here. And if I want to do the calculator, it's right there. You can see with the battery, it can also expand that way, and it's pretty useful actually. I like that it's customizable because there are times where you want to have at least all of your favorite Control Center items readily available, easy to tap, and this customization helps with that. You can also add additional controls. So if we tap on this, we have a list of all of the current controls, and there are a whole bunch that we can add. And there's also other actions such as using the remote in case you have an Apple TV. You have shortcuts as well. You have the translate control. In essence, Control Center is highly customizable to whatever your needs are. With some of the widgets, you can even long press on them to get some quick actions. So for example, if I long press on the calculator control, we have 2 items here where I can just copy my last result and I can just use that. You could also long press low power mode to activate low power mode or deactivate. And that is it for Control Center. A really quick tutorial. It's all about customization. That is what iOS 18 is pushing. Between customizing your home screen and Control Center, I think each and every iOS 18 user is going to have their desired experience. If you found this video helpful, do all of the YouTube things, and remember, all engagement is good engagement. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Take care.